Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So here is my 6 Classic, and to enable power saving mode we have two ways. The first one, just go to all apps and tap on settings, and now go down and we have here battery and device care. Now tap on battery, and as you can see now we have 21 hours and 36 minutes left, and if you enable power saving we'll have 1 day and 1 hour left. So this is good if you want to have a boost of battery on your watch. And now the second way to enable this feature, and it's an easy way. Just go to the top bar and swipe to the right, and here there is. Now it's enabled. I will disable it. Okay, and to enable back, just tap on it, and now power saving is enabled. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you if you need more battery on your watch, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.